not to be confused with Lithuanian Nationalist Union, Lithuanian National Union, Lithuanian. Lietuvių Tautos Sąjunga, LITAS, is a radical neo-Nazi political party in Lithuania, not recognized as a legal Lithuanian political party by the Ministry of Justice. The party claims to be cooperating with other European radical nationalist and fascist parties. It includes National Democratic Party of Germany, Swedish National Democrats, Party of the Swedes, Finnish Freedom Party, Party of the Danes, Danish National Socialists, Swedish National Socialists, National Renovator Party, Forza Nuova, Jobbik, Latvian Association, Antiglobalists, and the Center of Gustavs Celmiņš. One of the most well-known comrades of Murza Visvaldas Mažonas was expelled from the party in October 2011. Ideology. The party is often blamed for sparking enmity and propagating racism and antisemitism. The main ideology of the party is a so-called Givaldia, a specific term, coined by Murza, which he claims to be a new, supreme form of government. Official website. In Lithuanian.